Introducing LivingWriter, the #1 writing tool for authors and screenwriters. It all starts with your manuscripts. From here, you can start a blank manuscript or pick from various fiction, nonfiction, and screenplay outlines from famous authors to get you started quickly. Your manuscripts are split neatly into sections, outlines, subchapters, and scenes. On the left sidebar, any part of this structure can be easily rearranged and organized in any way you prefer. If you've chosen a status for your chapters, you'll see their colors next to the titles for quick identification. Each chapter, subchapter, and scene can have both standard formatting and screenplay formatting. Every element has its own dedicated sidebar for descriptions, notes, and whatever else you'd like to add. You also have easy access to all your comments, goals, and writing stats. The elements of your manuscript also have a place to call home. Each character, object, research point, or custom element of your work has its own nifty area to fully flesh out your story. And these elements don't stay tucked away, they show up intuitively as you write. Clicking on these elements in your editor allows you to take a quick peek at your notes on them. And speaking of notes, we have note areas for each chapter, each element, global notes across your account, and overarching manuscript notes. It's time to get rid of that mess of Post-its, notebooks, and Word documents. Everything exists all in one confined place. Let's talk about the boards. There are 4 types of boards on LivingWriter. The manuscript board gives you a god's eye view of your chapters, outlines, and scenes. Easily drag and drop entire sections of your manuscript and color code them for quick organization. The plot board has 2 types of grids. The standard grid gives you an infinite amount of rows, columns, and plot lines, which you can add to and customize with quick, intuitive drag and drop. The freeform grid lets your creativity flow, giving you an infinite grid to create timelines, branches, and family trees. Just drag and drop any of your elements onto the grid, connect them, and move them around. You can have an infinite amount of both the standard grids and the freeform grids. Then we have the Elements board. At any point, you can dive deep into your characters, places, objects, and research. Switching things up is as simple as dragging and dropping. The Research board allows you to have a special area just for your research. Create a topic on the research board and add images, links to articles, add all your documents, or have specific notes for that research point. LivingWriter automatically saves every single letter that you type, so you never have to worry about hitting save. In addition to that, you have revision histories for each of your chapters, subchapters, and scenes. When you need some feedback on your writing, you can instantly share your manuscript or single chapter with the Share feature. You can share it strictly for viewing, editing for real-time collaboration, or just to receive comments. When you're ready to export your work, you can export it as a full manuscript or just individual chapters. Include all your elements and notes, and even generate a table of contents. Exports are available in PDF, DocX, to Google Drive and Dropbox, as well as to Amazon manuscript formats for sending it directly to Amazon Kindle Publishing. These, and an ever-expanding list of other features like comments, footnotes, AI integration, tabbed viewing, reciprocal private feedback systems, and more, make LivingWriter not just the greatest writing tool for authors and screenwriters, but the greatest writing tool for you. Try it completely for free today at livingwriter.com.